Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you doing? It's your girl editorial. It's me, Edith. Okay guys, so how are you doing? And how is your day? How is your baby? How is your husband? You know, how is the house literally? And how are you coping with this pandemic situation? Okay, so I'm actually very happy and I want to share my happiness with you. This is a vlog channel literally, so the vlog is my life, now. So I literally would be showing you almost everything, but of course not everything. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I got from Jumia. Like, I literally ordered this on Jumia, and this is this is my new camera. Yeah, so I got a new camera. Although I have some set I have cameras. I have a very big camera and a very small camera. So this is going to stand at the middle of the big and the small. And of course my phone. So I literally have some gadgets that I use in filming at every point. Sometimes when I'm in the house, I can use my very big camera, okay? But when I'm outside, my very small camera is actually developing a little fault where if I want to make video, the thing will just stop. If I want to make video, the thing will stop, or all of those misbehaviors. So I now decided to say, let me get a new camera that is bigger than that one and that's smaller than this one. Okay, the previous camera, I bought it at 300,000. No, my big camera. Then the small camera, I bought it when I started YouTube. That was 5 years ago. See how long that is? Like 5 years ago. So that's the camera that is actually giving me ish, but it's perfect for vlogging. But since I want to be changing my vlogging from phone to my camera to my big camera and stuff, it depends on where I am. Okay, that's why I need different kind of gadget, because this is literally my work. So I'm doing it with all of my hearts, all of my beautiful heart. So I just want to unbox my camera with you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Well, this camera is as expensive as my big camera, almost this, like, close to, but it's not like that. I'm sure it is because of this whole pandemic. Dollar has increased a whole lot and everything is so freaking expensive now in Nigeria, and what can we do? So I'm sure that is why this particular camera increase price like this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be using this for vlog while in the house and outside too. Okay, it also depends on where I am, because some places, oh my goodness, I won't spoil this Bible now. Some places, but they don't allow you to vlog. So if I must vlog myself, I would have to use my phone. So let's see, you would do, you have to. Okay, so let me unbox this thing. I've actually not opened it before. I just say let me keep it, open it with you guys. Open it with you guys. Okay. Open! Man, can't wait. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is actually the delivery slip, yeah, that I was supposed to sign, but of course, this is my own copy, but their own copy, I've already signed that for them. So I got a Samsung camera, which I know is gonna be durable. Now, why I got a Samsung camera is because I want to be able to pause my video. The other Canon camera that I have, you don't pause, like you don't pause. And so since I started my YouTube like 5 years ago using Samsung camera, I'm so used to pausing my video. Yeah, so that's why I said let me buy Samsung Jare. It is actually the same quality with Canon and Sony. I got Sony. I got, this is Samsung NX500. Okay, this is how the camera is. It's beautiful. Are you seeing that? Okay, so the Sony I got, okay. There's this camera that's fantastic favor because I asked her and she said she uses Sony. Yeah, if you check Fantastic Favors community, you're gonna see the camera that she uses. Yeah, so I wanted to get that particular one, but it was kind of too expensive, and there was another one that is of this particular um quality for Sony. It was 425,000. Man, I can't afford. Even if I can afford it, I wouldn't want to buy it. It's too cost, Jerry. Waiting with that. So I decided to buy this one. This one is 300,000. Let's say 290,000 plus all of the transport and all of that, close to. Yeah. So this is how the box is, and I'm actually just opening it for the first time. You and me, okay? All right. So it has its own cord. I'm sure for transferring videos, and it has another cord for what I don't know yet. It has a battery charger. Sorry, it has a charger. It came with its own Samsung charger. Okay, and then it came with a battery. It came with a battery. Yeah, of course it should come with a battery. Now if you don't come with battery, I no go return them. So this is how the battery is. And then it came with I think this is a strap that I'm gonna use to just put the camera and hang it. When you want to hang the camera, this is what you use. And then it came with, what is this? Okay, this is a flash. This is a flash, which is obviously good for photographers. All those people making cameras, they only think that it's only photographers that will come and buy their camera. And it came with lens. Whoa, this lens is amazing. I'm actually not gonna be opening it more than this, except when I want to put it. Okay, so that this is how the lens is. It's a huge lens. And then the the almighty camera itself is here, is packed in here, well protected. Gun 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 gun. Okay, so this is it. Wow, wow, this is beautiful, guys. This is really beautiful. 4K video recording. This is amazingly beautiful. This is how it looks like, guys. So this is how it looks like. It looks really, really sophisticated and beautiful, and carrying it is just beautiful. Like, this is literally what I wanted. I don't want the other one. Let me bring my big camera for you guys to see. Okay. So I have this big camera, and honestly I want to sell this. I just want to sell it because I only use it when I want to snap pictures. I don't use it for video because I feel it's kind of heavy. Honestly, I don't use it because um I'm just so used to the other smaller camera, but now that I have this one, which is a little smaller than this one, okay, So I'm going to be preferring this, and this is Samsung. Like, you can just maneuver with this, and it's easy to just learn things, and it's amazing. It has Wi-Fi, it has 28.2 mega, um plenty. It's so lovely, and add to the fact that I've actually used Samsung before, so it won't be too difficult for me to use this. I am loving this already. This is actually too big. I want to sell this, so I want to sell it. I bought this at the rate of 300,000, which I know by now this camera is perfect. So if you're a makeup artist, or you are into cooking, or you want to start your channel in a professional way, you can buy this. I'll discount it for you, because I only use it when I want to snap picture, and you know me, I don't snap picture that much. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't update my Instagram that much, but which I'm trying my best. I'm going to be doing that. Okay, I'm gonna try to do that. So this is for sale. Contact me, yeah, via my email. I'm gonna be dropping my email here. If you want to buy it, I'll reduce the price for you. All of the thing is new, okay, very new. I don't refundle cameras. For me to use camera for 5 years, and it's still very much, it works like my very first camera. Okay, I've been using it for more than 5 whole years now, and it works so well. So this one I bought it, I think, last year, and I don't use it that much, and this one is the bomb, guys. Okay, so fantastic favor, hashtag. I love that your camera, but I think I love this one the more, and I hope it's gonna give me the quality that I have been dreaming for, which this one does. But setting this camera is a problem for me. I would have to set it, in fact, plenty things, but not that you can't set it, or you can take it to, if you're buying it, you can take it to all those photographers. Okay, they'll show you how to set it. But since I actually don't use it all the time, since I actually don't use this particular one all the time, I tend to forget it, maybe because I've actually not been writing it down. Okay, so I'm loving my new camera, and the lens is beautiful, and I'm sure it's gonna be like this. It's not gonna be too big. Look at look at this, like this, yeah. Look at this one. So you see the difference. This is so big, this is a little smaller, and this is Samsung. Which is simple to just maneuver. Okay, so I'm gonna be making my vlog with this one, and again, what I love about it is that it has this flip. How do they do it? Okay, it has this flip like this. Yeah, can you see that? Poo, 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 poo. Okay, so it has this flip, so I can film like this. Okay, I can film while, watching, seeing myself literally, just like this particular one. So if you want to buy this particular one, it's perfect. So you see that, yeah. So I want to sell it though. Come and buy. I'll put it in my community, and I'm gonna put it in my Instagram too. On my Facebook too. If you want to buy, let me know. If you have someone that needs it, I would reduce the money for you, because I'm gonna be using this particular one the more. Okay. All right, guys. So I love you guys so much. I hope you do love my new and beautiful Samsung camera that I just got. Okay, and you know, when you buy something and you're being careful, that's what is happening. I'm just being very careful, very careful, and I'm excited too. Okay, guys, so these are all of the amenities, and I think the only thing that is not here is memory card, which I have memory card. I have memory card. Okay, this is the space for memory card. Oh no, that's not the space. I'm gonna identify that. Okay, this is the space for. Okay, this is the space for memory card and battery. And the camera has its own memory, inbuilt memory. Unlike this one doesn't even have inbuilt memory. These people that they say go and buy your memory card, it is go put any memory for you. Hey well. Anyway guys, I love you guys so much and thank you very much, and I'm super excited for this. And well, if you want to buy this camera, it's for sale. I'll reduce the money for you. Okay, and that's it guys, that is a wrap, and I'm getting out of here. Okay, so the next video after this, I'm gonna be using my Samsung new camera, my new baby. Love ya. Kisses.